deflation, I'll give you a real quick example. Let's say you're making $40,000 and you go to your boss and say, give me a raise. And the boss says, you crazy? You're lucky I don't fire you and go back to your desk. So the guy doesn't get a raise. But if the price level drops 10%, he just had a 10% increase in his real standard of living. So, and it's even better than that, because if you got the raise, the government would tax the delta. They tax the whole thing, but they tax the delta. But the government hasn't figured out how to tax deflation, which is one of the reasons the Fed... Well, but it's one of the reasons. It's one of the reasons the Fed and Treasury are so scared of deflation. It's great for working people. It's very good for Americans.
But wouldn't it help corporations too, because their price levels, they have higher earnings? And their price levels of the products that they buy would be lower, and therefore the margin should grow.
That's correct.
Remain the same or somewhat the same.
Right. Corporations always work on the margin, so yeah, maybe the price you get for the goods goes down, but if the price of the inputs goes down. I think in the 19th century, one of the big drivers of deflation was lower transportation costs. You think about getting a head of lettuce from California to New York, transportation is a big component about that. And what part of declining transportation costs do we not like? So this is, now they also say that, deflation increases the real burden of debt, which is true, but what happens is people actually default on their debts, which is very cathartic. A default is an instantaneous wealth transfer from the banking system to the individual. So it falls on the banks. You would destroy a lot of banks, which is a very good thing. We need that because we have a lot of zombie banks. There is so much capital that could start new banks. I'm not worried about the banking system. We shouldn't worry about banks. We should worry about the system. That's the Fed's job. So let these banks fail. New banks will start overnight. We'll get this economy going again. People who talk about the V don't have the courage of their convictions, because you're not going to get that strong leg up unless you test the bottom, and part of that is deflation.
Don't you need to? I mean,